Almost unlimited perks on this beautiful 20-acre property with 3 tanks. 1690 North East County Road 2220 has a gated entry and is located on the end of a country road. Crossed-fenced for 3 pastures with gorgeous tanks in each one. The home is immaculate and has been very well taken care of. The roof was replaced in April 2021, drains in the bathrooms were replaced, insulation under the home redone, all vents in the attic replaced, and some of the home's flooring was changed to Allure Resilient Flooring. The guest house is the perfect place to room any visitors, so make sure to invite guests for the weekend and enjoy this country life together. Take a look today to see what else this home has to offer you. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 328 1487. That's 903 328 1487.